Welcome back to Healthy Eating with Coach Amber. I feel like we're already a little bit acquainted, so let's get right into it. Today we're going to be making blueberry protein pancakes with coconut whipped cream. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup of protein pancake mix, 1/2 cup of vanilla almond milk, 1 pinch of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of butter alternative, and 1 can of coconut whipped cream. So for this recipe, I will be using the Birch Bender's pancake mix. It's a protein pancake mix and it is plant-based. It has 10 grams of protein in each serving, and there are plenty of other protein pancake mixes. Wow, that's kind of a tongue twister. However, I'll be using this one. I know that you can find a bunch of different ones on the pancake mix aisle at your local grocery store. I'll be using a 1/4 cup of blueberries. These are frozen. I like to freeze my blueberries at peak blueberry season. And I will also be using a 1/2 cup of vanilla almond milk. This does have added sugar and it has the vanilla flavoring, which I find makes the pancakes that much better. I'll be using Earth Balance vegan butter alternative. There are plenty of other butter alternatives out right now. Just choose your favorite. 1 pinch of cinnamon. I'll be using McCormick regular old cinnamon, and you can use whatever you have at home. And Ready Whip non-dairy coconut milk whipped cream. I love this stuff. It is so good. You cannot tell the difference between it and the regular whipped cream, although it is a little bit pricey. Go ahead and get out your large mixing bowl and add in your pancake mix. Then I go ahead and add in my milk. I know it doesn't look like enough, but you'll see these babies get thick, okay? Adding your cinnamon and go ahead and combine the mix. Once everything is well combined, you are ready to begin cooking. So you can turn your eye on about medium-low heat or the flame on about medium-low heat if you're using gas like me. Start off with a tablespoon of your butter and let that get nice and bubbly and well distributed on your pan. Now, as I mentioned, there are other alternatives that you could use for this. You could even use coconut oil. Then begin adding your pancakes. As you see, they did get pretty thick while we were waiting to add them to the pan. So I tried to make them as round as possible, but once again, ain't nobody got time for that. So just add them to the pan. They are going to taste the same, I promise you. Now, once you get them added to your pan, it's important that you leave them alone. And what you're looking for, because these are not like your typical pancakes, is you're looking for them to get kind of brown on the sides. You can't tell right in this video, but they do start to get kind of brown on the sides. And once you see that browning beginning just a little bit, you want to make sure you have your spatula ready. I accidentally got pancake mix on mine. And you can go ahead and start adding your blueberries. I don't defrost mine or anything. I just add them frozen. And I find that as they cook, they stay a little bit more put together than when I use the fresh blueberries. They will go ahead and disintegrate, which to each his own. Okay, so you can use fresh or frozen, but I like frozen. And I like a blueberry in every bite. So my camera did die, but after you add your blueberries, go ahead and flip them and cook them for about another minute. Add toppings of your choice. I've added powdered sugar, the coconut whipped cream, and syrup. And y'all, look at this. Can you see that steam? Can you see those blueberries? These were so good. And you can also take these and make them in advance and save them for about 2 to 3 days if you want to just warm them up in the morning. And there you go, a healthy breakfast. Feel free to trade out regular syrup for your own syrup alternative, and we'll talk soon. Bye.